and it destroyed this upper rail. It's gonna get a new upper rail. I have a Nissan Versa here. This one got hit right in this right front corner and it destroyed this upper rail. So it's gonna get a new upper rail as well as this little piece of the radiator support and this guy right here. But first I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick pull this damage out roughly, and then I will start cutting all of this apart. So I'm making some comparison measurements from side to side to start with, and the length looks good. Now I'm gonna do an X. And that is just about perfect as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fit up the fender and the headlight. So this one is fitting together very nicely. Normally, I would want to fit the hood on and make sure that lines up good, but being that everything X'd out properly and everything measures out very nice and the parts are fitting so good, I'm really not worried about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift the fender back off, lift the headlight out, and I'll go ahead and start welding, and I'll get all of that structure welded together.